People of Scotland, in the coming election, vote SNP.
Vote for a party that protects the interests of this country by fighting for fully devolved powers.
People of Scotland, vote for a party that protects the older members of our society by providing health care for our elderly.
Woo! Aye! Yes!
People of Scotland, vote for a party that protects the youth by providing free university tuition.
SNP! 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 SNP!
People of Scotland, vote for a party that protects the most vulnerable in our society by proposing to raise the minimum pricing on alcohol. People of Scotland,
Shame on you! 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 Get up. This is my chance. People of Scotland, if you vote for the Scottish Conservatives in the upcoming election, we will decrease the minimum pricing on alcohol. Drink!